Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Strayer University portal. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser. So Strayer University login. Once you make search, you'll find Strayer login, Strayer University on the top of a search list. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you're already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credentials, which includes your username and your password. In case you forget your username, you can click here, and to reset your password, click here. If not, then just log in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.